Welcome to lesson 16. If you followed all of our videos so far, you're halfway through this level, so well done. Today we're going to talk about past simple verbs. And this lesson is a little bit difficult, so you need to get a pen and paper and make some notes. Remember, verbs are actions, so run, play, read, eat, sleep, drink, think, do. They're things you do. And they also talk about your feelings like love or don't like. I love hamburgers. I don't like football. And remember, when we're talking about time, now is present tense. Today we're talking about past, so it's something that happened in the past. So you can say, I play football. Every day I play football, but yesterday I played football. I love pizza now, but when I was a child, I loved pizza. You see the word changed, love and loved. So there are two types of past tense verbs. One is regular and the other one is irregular. So for regular verbs, we have a D on the end. Sometimes D or ED or IED, but always a D. Irregular verbs, you just have to study. Learn, learn, learn. Regular verbs, for example, walk. We make it past tense, walked. See how I say it? I don't say walked, I say walked. It sounds like a T. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. Watch, watched. Jump, jumped. Like, liked. Now these ones, they have a D sound. Play, played. Cry, cried. Listen, listened. Enjoy, enjoyed. Love, loved. These are irregular verbs, and we're not going to talk about them now, but you can see the first one. Eat, past tense is ate, not eated, it's ate. But the next video, we're going to show you these ones, so don't worry about this now. So for most regular verbs, we add ed. Walk, walked. Jump, jumped. Help, helped. Pushed, pushed. Laugh, laughed. But if it ends on a E, you just add the D. You see love? Just add the D. Dance, danced. Agree, agreed. Arrive, arrived. And if it ends on a vowel and a Y, now we know vowel is A, E, I, O, U. So enjoy is O-Y. You add ED. A-Y, play, ED. Pray, prayed. Stay, stayed. So if it's A and I, E and I and O and U and a Y, you just add ED. But if it's not, if it's B or C or D or F or G or H or all the other letters, then you change the Y to an I. So try, it's an R. You change the Y, it becomes an I and ED. Carry, change the Y to an I, ED. Copy, IED. And study, IED. Now I told you these are a little bit difficult, okay? So just write them down and learn them. If it's a short word, often we double the last letter. Plan, planned. Stop, stopped. Nod, nodded. Clap, clapped. Do your best to learn these, but we will be doing them again in the next level, which is elementary level. Now let's practice. Ahmed watched, A or B. In English, you're never going to see T, C, H, D together, never. You always have an E in the middle. So Ahmed watched TV. We carry the bags. Now, what did we say? We said if it's a consonant and a Y, we change the Y to an I. So it's an R is a consonant. R-Y comes R-I-E-D. We carried the bags. They walked to work. Which one's right, A or B? Yes, of course, E-D. The parents studied for the exams. So D and a Y, we change the Y to an I, studied. Our friends played computer games, A or B? That's right. We jumped in the pool. How do you spell that? Jumped, ED in the pool. The baby cried a lot. After R and Y, R is a consonant, so after R, you change the Y to I. My sister talked too much or talked too much. My sister talked too much. And here we have AY, your verb is play, so it's P-L-A-Y. A is a vowel, so you keep it. A-Y-E-D. We studied for the exam. Now you've got D-Y. So what happens there? The Y becomes an I. So I did warn you this was a little bit difficult. Don't worry, we'll do more and it will become a habit in the future. So next time we'll see you for the irregular verbs. Keep your pen and pencil with you. And if you do like this, please share, follow, like. See you next time.